once you uploaded images, then to process them, the first thing that you need is to actually set up a device, because the software needs to know with what camera and telescope the images have been taken. So to do this, you click on your profile, and that will list a list of devices that you have, but also allows you to add a new device. So if you have a new telescope, a new camera, then you can add a new device. If you do this, there's simply 4 things that you're asked to provide. So the first thing is you have to give your device a name, so make that easily recognizable. So I would, for example, like to add some data that we've taken with the Danish telescope in Lucia, so we might call it Danish CCD. We would also request that you provide us with the pixel scale, so how many arc seconds are there per pixel in your telescope. This is used to speed up the process for the astrometry, where we trying to convert the pixel positions of stars in your picture into real coordinates. That is much faster if you know the actual pixel scale of your telescope and camera combination. And then we also need or would like to know the size of the main mirror or the lens of your telescope, so we can do some statistics, i.e. we can then work out how much exposure time, considering the size of the mirror or the lens, has been used or provided for that telescope. The final box here is simply for a description of the properties of your CCD, so in principle, and your telescope, of course. In principle, we would like the name of the telescope. We would like to know where it is. So this telescope is in Lucia in Chile, and also you can add a description of the camera, which camera it is, and so forth, and any details you'd like to provide. We're going to use this later on. If we publish any of the data, then we need to provide a list and details of the observatories and cameras that we have used, and this is a good starting point. So I'm simply going to take that text and put that into a paper with some editing. So all these boxes, they can later be edited. So if one of the numbers is wrong, or you would like to add something in the description, then you can always do that by going back to your profile and clicking on the name of the device, which will open this page here again, where you can then update any of the numbers. Once you're done, you can simply press submit, and the device will be added to the list of devices in your profile.